Hello guys, we still on this Mac. Now we're gonna attempt to replace the battery. As you can see here we have the battery. Here we're gonna do that. As the first things to do for replace a battery in this type of Mac, you need to remove those screw because this is the flat of the trackpad and it can obstruct the removal of the battery. Like this, like that. You remove it to the plate on the top. After guys we remove it that, you need to remove it this, that is the hold of the battery. As you can see there is a flex cable, this need to be removed. After you screw this screw and you screw this other screw and you start to remove it. You have to do this before because if you leave it the battery plug you can damage because there is running power in the motherboard. For this you have to do that. Now we're gonna do it. After you can see I remove it that, you need to unscrew the screw. One. As always I use the same technique, I open all three after I remove it the screw. 2 and 3. Okay. After you did that, yeah, we put always on my magnetic carpet. 2 and 3. Okay, now it's done, we remove the battery. Guys, slowly you see there is this double side tape underneath. For this you need to remove it with power because if without you can't. Let me try like this. You see? You do like that. Me always I remove it the top side after I remove the center. This is more delicate than everything else. Guys, that's how you remove it. Look how heavy it is, that glue. This is thick, and now after I will show you how to assemble it. Okay. This is the trackpad, very heavy. Hello guys, as you can see he presents the same glue. We're gonna leave it the other one like that. They can stick better anyway, you won't have a problem with the gap. For this you remove it the glue from underneath. This is not strong as the original. Here has been removed, here and here. Okay. After we're gonna turn upside down. Okay, this like this, you stick the shell, this you lift up like that, this goes over, this are the other cell. This you see I didn't place it properly. We're gonna place it here. Okay, this here, this and this goes underneath here. Like this and like that. Now we're gonna put in place. This is a little bit tricky because the flat is not straight anymore. Let's go a little bit further up, like this. All the matter of position. I did a mistake because I should place before the top one. But you learn it from your own mistake. You see now better. No. You see? Okay, as you can see. You see it. Always. You learn it from your own mistake. Non finire un attimo sotto di mano così dopo. Ok. This done, guys. Remember always to keep it on the top. Allora, now we close it back with all the screw of this. First of all, this. Okay. Second here. Okay.
Jay,
Okay.
dimmi.
Yeah, almost done.
Perché ancora non riuscito a fare nemmeno noi in ordine. Perciò stiamo ancora 0-0 per il momento.
And
cosa?
this done.
No, per un momento no.
Now it's applied, guys. Now we need to just try. Let me close it properly like this, and we are ready to see. Last few screw. Voila. All settled. Now let's see if it works. A1706 model. A1706.